Good day, everyone!
Magandang araw!
Naimbag ang bigat! Assalamualaikum! And we are Yung Luna!
Hi everyone, a day in my life as Jess. Me and my group are going to do a vlog for subject which is MTech.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is Siti Aliyah Ismahatali.
I just want to ask, what is multimedia for you?
Well, multimedia is a media that uses a combination of different content forms like text, audio, and animation videos, still image, and interactively content forms that we can be used for our presentations that we do whether it's in school or work. The word multimedia also have a meaning. Multi means many or more than one, while media means medium of communications.
Okay, thank you.
Looking pretty as always, look at our field full of students.
Hello mga ate!
Hello!
Do you know anything about multimedia?
Yes.
How about the history?
The term multimedia was first used by Bob Goldstein in July 1996 to promote opening of his live works. In 1970s, the term was used to describe presentations of 50 and multi-projectors, slideshows timed to an audio track. In 1990s, multimedia took on its current meaning.
Dave Vaughan declared multimedia as combinations of text, graphic art, sound, animation, and video that is delivered by computer.
Thank you! Hi guys, just in time, I see people to answer my question. Hi!
Hi!
Can I ask you about the benefit of multimedia?
Yes. Improve comprehension. Multimedia can help convey complex information in a more inclusive and accessible way, making it easier for users to understand and retain. Example, if I can't understand the text, I can watch it in YouTube by video listening, and I gain the learns of I want.
Few moments later.
Next is cost-effective. Multimedia content can be reposted across different platforms and contexts, reducing the need in redundant context creation and minimizing costs.
Fun enjoyment. Multimedia can make learning fun and enjoyable, increasing motivation and participation. Example enjoyment is online game like Mobile Legends and PUBG because in this way we can have our way to express ourselves and have fun, while YouTube and other educational websites can help us, especially when we can understand our lesson. YouTube can help us to learn and gain additional knowledge from it.
Thank you!
Few moments later. Meanwhile.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Check your phone, open YouTube, scroll on TikTok, or maybe open Facebook.
Oo na, guilty na ako.
ICT or Information Communication Technology is a use of computers, phones, or other tools to store, to share, and to communicate information. Now, we're gonna explore how ICT shape our lives in the 21st century. Imagine a world without ICT. No online classes. No online classes! No YouTube. No YouTube! And no Netflix. No Netflix! No!
But, did you know that behind all of this is powered by ICT?
ICT?
Thank you for watching!